Hello ulit mga ma'am sir for our
Hello po.
4th episode of the
Welcome
Lord
po sa
Cantito
Lorcantito
podcast.
Podcast. Ako si
Wala na
Lorcantito BJ.
introduction. Ako si Lord Cantito
Ayan, meron
Diwakay.
dapat. Meron
Meron pa
dapat.
rin.
Kailangan pakilala tayo, hindi naman laging...
Every time, pwede namang hindi.
may
No?
bago, malay mo may mga bago tayong
May mga
taga-subaybay.
bago tayo. Ang
Di ba?
unang sasabihin natin, tumingin sila sa ibang iba episode para magka-views.
Ah,
No? Kidding aside, no? So for today, we'll just have a general impression episode. No? So we have like 3 topics that we
hmm.
want to talk about and what we've currently observed from the community at large.
Kaya
So
din natin
uh,
ginagawa to kasi, di ba, Lorcantito Ian, nagkaroon na tayo ng mga pre-release, nagkaroon na rin tayo ng mga pakikihalubilo sa community natin. Nakita na rin natin kung paano nagde-develop yung community post-rotation ng Fabled after the official launch. So kaya rin namin naisipang gawin ito para masabi namin ang aming mga opinion tungkol sa community ngayon ng Lorcana sa Pilipinas.
Yep. Okay, so without further ado, we'll just go on with our first topic, which is player-based impressions.
Yes, the
No?
player
So
base.
alam niyo naman mahilig kami mamili ng mga the memes na pics, no? So this is
Yes.
not a reflection of
Hindi
the
naman,
community.
hindi naman yan
Medyo
meme
kapag
Hindi naman yan
kapag
meme
wala, nakakatawa kasi 'to scene na 'to eh, na
Yeah, I love that scene.
much rage, no? Pero siguro in the competitive aspect, ganyan tayo. Kasi kapag naglalaro tayo with each other, especially in the larger tourneys with the bigger prizes, talagang
Mm.
seryosohan talaga yung mga tao, no? So, some new players might feel na parang sila si Vanellope with all the big shots around the room. No,
That's
pero as
true.
you've said in previous
Intimidating.
episodes, hindi naman siya ganon. No, so actually, there are a few things that I would like to uh, get off from my chest right off the bat. No?
Sige.
So, kakatapos lang as of recording yung isang store qualifiers
Mhm.
sa Galleria, no. And
Kumusta naman yun?
of course hindi ako nakapunta doon, nakichika lang ako sa mga pwedeng kachikahan, no. And I was told that the one that got the buy was a new player.
Oh, congrats. Congrats kung sino
Oo.
man yung
So
newbie na yun.
actually ano daw, swerte daw kasi new player luck. So nakakuha ng Dumbo,
Oh,
nakakuha ng Bell
wow.
na Enchanted, and siya
Wow.
rin yung
Siya rin siya
nanalo.
lahat tapos napanalo din
Yeah,
niya.
undefeated siya. And
Wow.
from what I recall, from what people have been saying, siya yung parang first time niya yata maglaro ng Lorcana. I'm not sure kung first time niya maglaro ng Lorcana, pero first time niya maglaro ng Lorcana maybe in an official capacity.
Okay.
But
Nice, nice.
from my chika-chikas, yun nga, na hindi naman chika, no, pero parang,
Nakalaban
syempre,
na ba natin to?
nagtanong ako, no. But he seems to be from Magic. Naglaro siya ng Magic. And
Okay.
that leads directly to yung player-based impression namin that we noticed that there are a lot of people coming from another TCG. May mga galing
Mm.
Pokemon, may mga galing Yu-Gi-Oh!, may mga galing MTG that do really well when they do that transition to Lorcana. No, kasi if I were to give a layering, no, so at the bottom in terms of hindi naman siya sa skill level,
Yeah.
complexity.
Okay.
Complexity, I would put Pokemon at the very bottom in terms of like yung
Mhm.
hindi naman sa walang strategy, no, pero parang yung
No disrespect.
the complication of the play is nandun sa ano, siya yung baseline natin.
Mhm.
I think Magic and Fab are at the top and then Lorcana is somewhere in the middle. Ang sinasabi nga nila madalas in the international scene is that Lorcana is easy to learn but very difficult to master.
Like any good games, like poker.
Like any good game, ganun siya. We've seen some success from new players that have transitioned from another TCG. We've also had people who had this as their very first TCG, no?
Nice.
So they've also done well for themselves. Again, not to the levels of yung hindi na matalo, ganun. Of course, siguro part of the learning curve, but they can hold their own if they really wanted to. Players na meron tayo in terms of skill level can really compete if we put people head to head. Um,
Talaga naman.
so ikaw like what were your initial impressions on some of the people we played with na yung in the larger tournaments or even in the smaller ones? Ano yung masasabi mo?
Actually, yeah, recently, yun nga, may mga newbies na rin tayo na nakita tsaka na na-encounter. Pero yung na-encounter ko kasi, I wouldn't call them newbies. Yung ano, yung isa sa mga nakalaban ko, diba dalawa na yung pinuntahan natin na ano na Asia launch
Mm.
na nangyari. And pareho tayong nandun rin siya and nakalaban ko siya. Tinalo niya ako pareho. Very good deck constructor, very good player. And ano siya, hindi siya technically newbie kasi daw nung Pixelborn naglalaro talaga siya. Nung panahon pa ng
Hmm.
Pixelborn. Pero pag ano daw, dahil nga mahirap yung cards, sa sealed lang siya talaga naglalaro. Or at least yun yung narinig ko. So, yun. So, kita mo na experience siya sa game pero hindi lang siya naglalaro dun sa mga core constructed or sa mga other formats. Sa sealed lang talaga siya nag-specialize. And he got far naman. Like yung sa, again, no, sa una yung sa Mox and Lotus, top 4 siya sa ano, dun sa ko, sa OHS top 4 din siya. So yeah, very good player. And actually may isa pa siyang counterpart, dalawa sila. Ganun din, parang ganun din yung gimmick niya na mostly online siya naglalaro ng panahon pa ng Pixelborn. Tapos nung dahil nga walang cards na nahihirapan siya noon, pag sealed na lang siya sumasali and they do well. So ayun, I'd like to see more players like that na parang at least ngayon na may support na actually yun nga eh. It's because I think one of the reasons why they stopped was because wala talaga silang makuha cards. But now that we have official support, I think people like those who are lurking lang na tried it during Pixelborn and have stopped and are now seizing the opportunity to get back at it. I'd like to see more of those players in the regular tournaments, in the smaller ones, the weeklies, whether in yun nga, in our more common haunts like OHS and Mox and Lotus. I'd love to see more of those. And yun, yung nakita ko sa kanila yung hope na magkaroon pa tayo ng madaming players. But in terms of newbies, na talagang newbies, konti pa lang din nakikita ko na encounter ko. Pero mukhang kailangan lang natin mang-engganyo pa ng mga players. And like you said, we have to also consider the previous TCG background or mas maganda din talaga kung fresh yung player talagang unang TCG niya to. So yun yung nagiging impressions ko sa community. Ang laki talaga ng potential for it to grow thanks to those players that were hiding in the shadows before and now are now emerging and those that we have yet to discover. So very exciting times for the player base right here in the local Lorcana community.
Okay, so two things to clarify lang.
Ano?
Number one is that player that you are referring to, yung pangalan niya ba starts with the C?
Si one of them, yes. Dalawa yung players
One
na
of them,
ni-refer ko
yes.
eh.
Oo,
One of them,
yung
yes.
nag-top 4 na pareho. Yan.
Ah,
FYI, siya yung nanalo sa Green Gate
congrats,
on
congrats.
the third
Galing,
time. Pero yun
galing.
nga, as we've said, yung yung sealed kasi sa format is a very weird format and we could talk about it maybe in another
In another
episode.
episode. That's a...
Pero yun nga, parang kahit na matagal siyang nawala,
Mm,
as you've said, uh, pagdating mo dito sa Lorcana, if you're coming from another TCG, the 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 TCG knowledge is very transferable.
yeah.
So,
It
as with any
translates well.
TCG, yeah, as with any TCG naman, so if you wanna give it a shot, then why not? Actually,
Mhm.
yung pricing kasi dito, as you said from the previous episode, is really okay. We haven't actually talked about the worlds yet, so maybe in a next episode.
Yeah, probably.
For those of you who are also wondering what the hell is Pixelborn, no? So it
Oo
is
nga
now
pala,
a
madami hindi nakakalaw doon. Sorry.
so
Maki-explain.
it was an online client that you could play uh Lorcana in. Nagsisimulate siya ng Lorcana. Although it is now transitioned into a webcam platform where
So you can play Lorcana
you can play
offline
Lorcana with a webcam setup tapos lalaro ko with another player.
with real cards.
With real cards, with real cards. It's not perfect but it's there.
Mhm.
Pwedeng-pwede talagang mag-practice doon. There are of course other places where you could practice. Maybe something for another another time, no? But for
Yes.
now, okay na muna yan. We've seen some players that really do well and na hindi naman sila surprise ako kasi once they introduce themselves as, oh, naglalaro kami ng ganitong game, automatic na yan.
Mm.
Kaya nga, every time nakakita ako ng new player, parang always, I am very suspicious. Mas natatakot ako kumalaban ng bagong player kasi hindi ko alam kung ano yung pwede niyang gawin. So,
Malay mo kung
talagang
saan siya galing.
pamalay mo kung saan siya galing, di ba? So, konting ingat lang kasi of course, tayo, well, ako, sobrang competitive ko.
Mm.
No?
Ako
Yun.
hindi, chill
So,
lang ako.
okay, chill lang. No? So, maybe yun nga, parang medyo happy rin ako that I also got the buy as well.
Congratulations
So,
nga pala.
according to sa post, nag-post naman tayo
Oo
about
nga.
it no? So, there are at least 4 more invites for Metro Manila as of recording.
Mm.
We have Fortress, we have Side Quest, we have High Market, and Jap Store pa. 4 more to go.
Hindi ko alam kung makakapunta na ako doon para sumubok.
Yeah, we will see.
We'll
But
see.
we've done our best and naka-third ka rin naman eh. You got some fancy pins, di ba?
I get.
Oo.
Okay na ako doon. Pero kung pero doon sa sa big tournament, support team na lang kami. Sasali din ako. Support team.
Official yayers.
Yeah, years. Tsaka ano ba? Oy, Ian, kailangan mo ba ng tubig? Paypayan
Well,
natin. Naiinitan si Lord
paypayan,
Tito Ian.
paypayan. Kaso nga lang, mas nakaka-stress ka pa outer. Outer,
Actually, kailangan din natin i-discuss yun in a future episode, yung etiquette.
Yeah.
Pero,
So we'll have
we'll have one of
have
those.
some discussions on
Mm.
what a bystander can and cannot do.
Mm.
So konting a little bit of a deep dive into the tournament tools and
Yes.
official play kasi yun nga parang as we've said, we've always wanted to invite you guys to play in an official capacity. So balik tayo dun sa
Yes, indeed.
Okay,
Ayun.
so maybe just to again summarize, no, that we're happy that people are arriving kahit pa konti-konti.
And
As
we
long as
hope you
lumalaki.
stay. And we hope you stay, please.
It seems like a majority are staying, no? Kasi again, as you've said, very welcoming community. The Disney magic is real.
Alive.
No? Ewan ko, iba eh. Parang, some people, when they play this game, it really just clicks.
Yeah.
And then, nagsasnowball na lang lahat bigla ng tao. Especially if you engage with the community, most likely tuloy-tuloy na siya.
Yes.
And not financial advice, pero parang, yun nga, malaki yung posibleng cash. May isa na rin nakabunot ng iconic na Mickey.
Oh, wow.
Basta one of the
nakita ko dun sa
nakita
ko sa chat.
So congrats, no?
Congrats.
Pero hindi siya player.
Collector.
But we've been trying to boodle them. No? So,
talagang budol yung term.
Budol talaga dapat. Okay, so moving on to our next discussion point. Meta impressions, no? So, maybe to start it off, we've had this discussion and always parang ending is we copy whatever is happening in the general EU NA meta. And it's reflective of the resources that we are also using. So yung Inkdex, yung Dreamboard, as you've showed in previous episodes, ginagamit siya in order for us to get a hand on what's currently being played by other people. So ano nga ba yung difference nila sa atin? So even though we do play using their meta, sometimes it doesn't translate into the weeklies for various reasons. No? So yes, we have distribution. Yes, the cards are coming, but there seems to be a lack of supply still for chase and staple cards.
Syempre, lahat naman kasi naghahanap. Like, especially the staples. Lalo na, di ba, over here on the steel side of things. Yeah, Strength of a Raging Fire is always in demand. Doc is always in demand. Calhoun to a certain extent. Pati nga may mga uncommons na rin na mahirap mahanap di ba? Yung Me Steadfast Mate. Kahit tayo ata hindi pa kompleto nun because they have become staples over the recent weeks because of the meta. At least for us steel players. Okay, that's law of supply and demand. If everybody's looking for it, the supply will kind of dwindle and maybe again, I'm not saying that this is a case, pero may mga cases na din na sa at least sa ibang TCG na may nag-hoard. I don't know if it's happening in Lorcana, but we can
Hoarding, I don't
never.
think so.
I don't think so.
Sa atin sinasabi tayo nag-hoard tayo. Pero palagi ko sinasabi, uy, apat na tao nga kasi. Huwag kasi kayong mag-judge. Kasi naman, parang sa dami mo kinukuha marami kami
Madami
kailangan.
kami.
Madami kami.
Apat na tao kami.
Nagmumukha lang na isa lang yung kadil ninyo, pero in fact, it's for four. It's for 4 people. No?
Kasi
5
team
pa nga
kami.
actually.
Oh yeah,
5 pa nga
technically
actually.
5. Technically 5.
5. Oh,
Mm.
so yun, no. Actually to maybe chime into what BJ is saying. No? So Strength of a Raging Fire is pretty needed. No, if you look at all the meta decks that you steal, always for Strength of a Raging Fire. Of course, people have opened Fabled. It's a rare there. Okay siya na hit, but one sure way of getting a Strength of a Raging Fire is joining your weeklies.
Joining the weeklies. Kasi promo card siya sa
kasi
Fable.
promo card siya. Isa. So parang, di ba, kahit pa isa-isa lang ka lang kumukuha, kahit pa paano meron. No? So,
maka top 8 ka lang, kaya mo
maka top 8
makakuha
ka
nun.
lang. Well, depende sa store.
Or yeah,
yung
depende
iba
sa
random,
rules.
yung iba pang top lang. But again, the chance is there. Yun yung maganda na may weekly kit, may OP kit na tayo. Tama. Organized play kit. OP
Yeah,
kit.
organized
So,
play.
So yun, marami na tayong pwedeng kunin na cards that are really high impact. Kasi you can play steel without Strength of a Raging Fire.
Yeah, it's very hard to play. I mean, pwede naman. There are alternatives like Smash.
But
actually, I've seen some decks that have success na hindi sila gumagamit ng Strength of the Raging Fire. You're running a deck that has a board state na talagang go wide ka, then Strength of the Raging Fire is the way to go. But there are some steel decks that tend to go deep na strategy. Then Smash is a more viable card for them kasi hindi naman dumadami yung board nila, so hindi nag-scale. Some of them would prefer to have that consistency of 3 for 3 damage. Yan yung nakita ko din na iba. May alternatives, pero syempre, mas maganda pa rin yung tama ng Strength of a Raging Fire. Kasi mas common na strategy siya. Mas common na strategy ang go wide. At least in steel decks na gumagamit nung, like, for example, top tier ngayon is Amethyst Steel. Isa sa mga top tier decks. And they, especially in Challenger, they go for a go wide strategy. So Strength of a Raging Fire is a much better option for them rather than Smash.
Well, your Smash is mostly used in conjunction with the Strength of a Raging Fire. Kasi yung strength, it's the strength of strength.
Yeah.
Kaya mo kasi siyang kaya mo siya kasi ising. Kaya mo siyang ising.
Oh yeah, the singing,
kasi yung,
the fact that you can sing it, yes.
Yun yung pinaka strength
apart from
niya,
the scaling.
Strength.
Yeah.
So minsan kahit dalawa lang yung tao mo, the mere fact that it can be sung,
it can kill something.
your ink open. Yun kasi yung ano. Yeah. And going back to yun nga, accessibility of the cards, there is a massive demand for Dumbo. Currently, no. So every time may nakaka-pull, and usually yung mga newer players, they sell it. Ewan ko kung later on, pagsisisihan nila. Hindi ko rin alam, no? But Kung ako nakapull ako ng Dumbo, I'd probably keep it
Yeah. And
and
actually,
then
I
just
think
wait for
that's going back to the meta impressions. It's just talagang napaka-obvious ngayon, at least this early, na amethyst is the color that will definitely be skyrocketing to the top. Not just steel, and steel is an obvious partner for it. Kasi naman, we're starved for draw this core constructed season. Ang konti pa ng mga card do, hindi kagaya noon. So, and Amethyst is the one that enables that strategy. Steel, to a certain extent, the draw discard is quite a boon for everyone. So that's why I think Purple Steel, Amethyst Steel is the ones that are ruling the meta right now. Actually, anything is Amethyst Sapphire, diba? Blurple is pretty much very high still in the meta right now. And ayun, it's just simply because card draw is king and Amethyst has a lot of card draw. And kaya nga si Dumbo mahal, di ba? Dumbo is quest pretty much a quest plus draw package in one. That's evasive and that's kind of hard to deal with, except when you're playing Steel. So that's why Steel has to be also in the meta because they need to deal with Dumbo. So nagkaroon ng, in terms of the arms race, Amethyst and Steel are so ahead in because they have the answers for each other, while all the others may need to be a bit more creative to be able to deal with what those colors have to offer for the players.
Okay, so given na ganun yung situation na so, we do have three, at least in the US meta, we have three very dominant decks, which is yun nga, Blurple, Blue Amethyst, Amethyst Sapphire. We have Purple Steel, which is Amethyst Steel. And then we also have the Amber Steel, yung Agro with the Tiana. So yun yung tatlong pinaka. But that's US kasi.
Yeah, but that's the
One
US.
thing that we don't have here that
In
the
the
US has
Philippines.
is TCG player or any platform of that caliber na parang on demand you could buy cards. So
Yeah.
it would most likely come from either you opening the packs or getting it from other players.
Other
no?
community members.
And of
talaga.
course, yung mga players, may mga ginagawa rin silang deck. If they get the card, most likely hindi na rin bibitawan. Which also kind of affects the meta that we have. Kaya nga ito yung gusto kong i-erase. Everybody so far is still in the sealed mindset.
Yeah.
Kasi nga, lahat ng mga events tuloy-tuloy sealed. Ako, I've been doing my reps. I've also been trying to keep track of what people are buying. I kind of have a vague idea of what people will be playing. Of course, kung ano yung mga deals na nagagawa yung mga tao directly to each other, I can't track. Pero parang it seems like people are yun nga, looking for cards that are shaping towards yung US meta.
Yeah, of course.
But the thing is, once we hit the weeklies ng constructed, and yun nga, parang paisa-isa nang lalabas yan. So as a store finishes their store
The
launches,
yeah.
but the following weeks kasi magko-constructed na sila. So doon natin makita. And at least for me, my initial assessment for this is you'll see imperfect versions of these decks. Give or take whether or not the store allows for proxies.
Tama. Yun
Which
nga
is
pa
another
pala.
topic in itself. Pero there are some that allow, there are some that don't. No. But for now, we'll just have it ng ganon. Kasi mahabang usapan yung
Yeah.
proxies in general. No. But for those that do, most probably, mas pasok sa meta ng US. For those that don't, you'll probably expect a wider spread or imperfect versions of the meta decks.
Although honestly, I'd love to see more of meta decks. Like, I wanna see yung mga Emerald Sapphire na yung nakita ko yun. I like the potential of Emerald Sapphire as well.
Baka gusto mo mag-testing.
Yeah, eh.
Kasi
I
meron
love
tayo.
I love the potential. Nakakakita din ako, tumitingin. Ako din
Ah,
naman tumitingin ako dun sa mga meta decks. Pero yung mga yung mga top definitely na mention na natin. But for the mid meta, I am actually excited for their potential. Lalo na dun sa
marami
yun
pa.
nga. Oh, madami
We,
pa.
may Sea Dogs pa. May
Yeah.
dalawang version yung dog deck. It's the Chromicon version and then the
Yeah.
Under the Sea version.
Ayun
Those
sa
two.
Chromicon, grabe. Yung
Oo.
Chromicon,
Yung Chromicon din,
so hard to deal with. Dahil,
maraming mga you could definitely catch people
mm,
off guard with something like that. But again, depende kasi yung
mm,
surprise factor is always a thing that you have to look out for when
yeah.
you're going into mga tourneys and
Yun nga
whatnot.
eh. Dahil, it's because of the Chromicon deck kaya ako nagkabit ng Benja sa deck ko.
Oh, yun nga.
All because of
Pero
that
yun nga,
Benja.
like going into the meta, parang what are the chances din kasi na
Yeah, eh. What
makita.
are the
So,
chances? Pero,
but for now, it's safe to say that there's either alam mo kung sino yung tao na naghahanap ng cards at alam mo kung ano yung
ah,
gagamitin niya, or just expect something wild. Yun na lang siguro, no?
isa ko pang na-excite ako yung sa Amber Ruby. Alam mo naman yun. Napakasarap lang ko in-deck na yun.
Well, there are rumors, no, of what will be reprinted in the next set, but for now, medyo malayo-layo pa. We're only in week 3 of set
Yeah.
9, so hindi pa tayo lumalapag ng set champs, which is exciting. No.
But,
Dadayo-dayo na naman tayo noon, but
yeah.
we'll get there, no? We'll get
Sana.
there.
Sana.
Sana. So, again, just to maybe summarize this topic for now, is that yung yung all well and good if you are able to complete your meta deck, no?
Mm.
And yun nga, parang na mention ng isang player dun sa kung saan tayo naglalaro, we're all meta slaves here, di ba? So parang kasi,
Oo nga naman.
siyempre since maganda na yung pricing natin, you'd want to put the best deck forward so that
Mm.
you could place and get the prizes. And siyempre everybody has a prerogative to do that. You can come in with a junk deck and have fun. Okay rin lang, no? But if you're really chasing for prizes, magme-meta ka talaga. And so far, the prices have been wild. Ito na siguro yung pinakamahal na meta na na-experience ko. Kasi may mga deck na umabot na ng 450 to 480 price.
Dollars?
Yep.
Mm.
But it's all just Dumbo.
That's like
Siya
50% Dumbo.
yes, kumbaga yung Dumbo is like, yun nga, more than 50% of the price of the deck already. Dati kasi Maui at 60 USD
Yeah.
yung cap niya. Pero ngayon Dumbo parang umabot yata siya ng 70 plus. So
Oh my
it's going
God,
down,
that's a lot. That's a lot of
but
money for a
but
card.
yun nga, parang sobrang broken. Yeah, actually sabi rin ni Zan Sayed, parang kita yung card, this card's broken.
Broken both in performance and price.
And price. No? So enough to get bans, I don't know. Pero so far
We'll
marami
see.
namang mga other decks na lumalabas that
Yeah.
could contest.
Yeah.
Especially the blue green deck, yun
Yeah. Actually,
Baha.
it's either you
Actually
go
marami
full
rin siyang
meta.
version
So
Marami siyang
either you go
version.
full meta or you go meta breaker naman.
Meta break.
Depende na
Or-
lang yan sa sa locals nyo kung panay purple steel or purple or blurple yung kalaban mo and you came there with a meta breaker that is like probably an 8-2 matchup against those decks, then you're gonna win that tournament. But are you willing to take that risk? Diba?
Ayun.
Yan lang yun.
We have our first core constructed weeklies.
Yes.
This
Coming soon.
This coming soon,
Yeah.
like in a few days.
It's
Until
probably
now.
it's probably happened by the time that this comes out. So.
Nalalaro na namin yun paglabas. Pero hindi pa rin ako decided on what to play. Sobrang daming options. Pero siguro, na lang, wala kaming Dumbo, yun na lang.
Okay lang. We'll
So
just
we'll
knock
use
Dumbo out of
we'll
the
use an
sky.
alternative. Pero parang ito ang release namin is wala kaming Dumbo. Pero pag naglaro kayo, tas kayo ng pinakalaban namin, just know that we might have suddenly mind
Or,
games na ngayon pa
yeah.
lang sa podcast pala nagma-mind games na tayo.
Grabe, grabe. Doon
Talaga.
pala. Competitive talaga tong si Lorcan, Tito Ian. Ako,
Ganun talaga.
alam naman ng lahat ng lalaruin ko. sa mga
Anong
hindi
version?
sa mga hindi nakakaalam, lagi akong Blue Steel all the way.
Anong version? Marami kasing version din yun.
Ayun ang
Diba?
secret.
Ayun ang secret. No? Marami siyang version ngayon.
Yes, lalo
There are two versions of it.
Yes,
So mamili ka
actually.
na lang kung anong version. Okay, so moving on. So I guess connected din sa lahat ng mga napag-usapan namin is accessibility. So ito yung aming maliit na lungga sa Ongkekos Hobby Shop. Yay!
Yay.
Shout out sa mga
Shout out.
kaongkeko. Yung ba yung tawag natin?
Mga kaongke.
Mga kaongke. No? So we have our small community there and we hopefully can sustain the weeklies. Parang we'd want more people to come.
Yes, definitely.
So para
The more
kasi
the
syempre,
merrier.
The more the merrier. Marami kasi rin talagang bumibili. Nagkaubusan agad ng starters eh. So,
Ng Fabled?
Yeah, ng Fabled dito sa shop. And may taong bibili pero hindi pa nagpapakita. So sinabi ko nga dapat yung next time na mabibili, kailangan tawag ko nun, i-profile. Sino ba yan? Oo, para habulin. Hindi naman para habulin. No? But again, just keeping track of people kind of helps the community at large. Parang okay, may mga potential players na meron tayo. And the reason why we want to know who you are is that we could offer support if you're having a hard time or maybe nahihiya ka, 'di ba? Parang or if you just play at home, it's again, it's fine, no, but maybe yung leap na kailangan ninyo to go from non-competitive to competitive. If there's something that we can do to help,
definitely
we'd want to, no. So, we've touched about things in the past few slides, no? May mga collectors na rin tayo. Dumadami na rin actually mga collectors. And it's similar to Pokemon that we have the same phenomena that people, because of Disney as an IP, is very attractive kasi parang may collectability, may nostalgia. They just open boxes and then just get the one piece and then they sell the rest. No, kaya nga yun nga yung maganda. Lately, there has been a surge of staples because of some collectors.
That's good. That's good news.
So
the symbiosis between the collectors and the players.
Yeah. Pero ang problema is, at least in my perspective, is maraming kaagaw. No? I mean like, parang pyesa, but again, pabilisan naman talaga siya. No, but before, it was parang, fastest finger palagi, si Lorcan Tito Ian. Pero ngayon, hindi na. No? Kasi syempre, pag nagtatrabaho tayo,
yun nga naman.
Parang,
we have life outside of
may trabaho kami. So parang, hindi naman kayang bantay 100%, di ba? I'm not really complaining kasi I would rather have players than cards. No? But it does make my life a little bit more difficult kasi yun nga, parang yung kesa ako lang inaalala ko, again, 4 na tao. So 4 times 4 dapat yung effort ko sa paghanap ng cards.
Sorry na po.
I guess was okay ngayon kasi maraming reprint, so very few lang yung kailangan hanapin.
Very
so medyo
helpful yung
nakakapagpahinga ko ng konti. But for set 10, will be a challenge, but let's see.
Let's see. We never know.
But I'd rather have that problem than getting pieces.
That's true.
Save.
Yeah.
No. Yung dito sa picture na to, you were 12?
Yeah, we were 12
players.
Yeah,
12 players. And then may mga like maybe half of it, or like mga a third were new.
Yeah, I would say I would say
Oo,
mga
mga gano'n. A
a
third.
third to a half was new.
And
Is at the
at the
very
very
least.
least, a third. At the
Yeah,
very least, a third.
a third
Even
were new.
even in the other store launches, the one
That's
in ano,
good
the
to
one
see.
in
Very good to see.
Green Gate, then I saw a few new faces.
Yay.
The one in
Yun.
Galleria, hindi ko napuntahan. Pero yun nga, parang, as we said, new player yun na top.
Mm.
So, the cards are there, the weeklies are there. Kayo na lang actually yung
Yeah.
hinihintay.
Actually,
No?
I just want to also highlight din yung we're gonna wax nostalgia again. We're going to go back to the times when we didn't have support and we didn't have a really big community. Natatandaan mo noon, di ba, Ian, na kahit mga commons, hirap na hirap tayo. Talagang if
Yeah.
someone was to give us a pile of commons, tuwang-tuwa na tayo. So,
Mhm.
let us be that for you guys. Kasi, yun nga, madami ng bulk in existence dahil medyo, I wouldn't say that the community is in a stable state, but it's better than before, especially with support. And meron na tayong supply ng bulk ng commons and uncommons from other players. And people like us are willing to give them away to people who are looking for them. Lalo na kung halimbawa, nag-eksperimento kayo. Meron na kayong mga pwedeng masandalan na mga tao or makontak na tao na gano'n. Dalawa na kami doon, ni na Lorcan, Tito Ian. So, yun. Yun yung gusto kong i-juxtapose na noon hirap na hirap tayo kahit commons lang. Ngayon, madali na. So, talagang aalahanin mo na lang is yung mga other in-demand cards that are ruling the meta right now.
Although ang caveat dyan is since set 9 has a lot of reprints, kaya tayo maraming bulk.
Actually, totoo naman. Caveat na caveat. Pero
Ngayon
at this
marami
state,
tayong bulk.
at this
Ngayon
state, it's
marami
good.
tayong bulk.
At this state, it's good. At the current set, it's good because madaming reprints. So mas madali ka makakuha ng bulk. I don't know about set 10, but right now is the time to get into it. Kasi mas madami kang mahahanap na mga community members na willing kang tulungan kasi madami kaming bulk from the past sets. So, like, sisimula ka pa lang, kailangan mo ng mga commons na to, ang dali ng maghanap. Hindi kagaya noon na talagang, oh my God. Talagang, di ba, mga commons na, tsaka uncommons, hindi tayo makakuha. Talagang kailangan, pag bumili kami ng starter kasi, minsan kulang pa yung mga nandun. So, now is the time. We just want to reiterate that here in this accessibility impressions section of the podcast na mas okay yung accessibility ngayon.
Malayo. Although, syempre, ang pinaka-dream dyan is that yung mga LGS will also carry singles.
Ayun, yun.
There are a few, pero for now, we'll just leave it as is. No? We'll take the wins as we go. But there are at least 2 stores that I know sell singles. Pero parang ayoko na muna ring sabihin kung ano kasi baka pagpunta nyo doon, uy, balita namin may singles pero parang hindi pa ganun ka-extensive. So, baka ma-disappoint pa kayo kasi pumunta kayo doon. Diba? Sana wala. Kasi hindi pala ganun kadami. So, ayoko na muna. So, until like maging mas extensive yung selection nila. Pero wag na muna kayo umasa. Siguro ganun na lang. Until this really becomes way big, like Pokemon big, then for now, we'll just take the wins.
Yeah, definitely. We'll take every win. As we grow this community, you take all the wins that you can. And, even the L's and learn from the L's.
Okay, so we've been rambling for like more than 40 minutes. So
40 minutes.
I'd like to wrap up this episode with one announcement.
There's an announcement. Oh my God. What is this announcement?
No, so we are now actually open for questions. No, so we will be sharing in our socials a link to a page where you could drop your questions that you would like to ask us in future episodes. No?
Yes.
So, syempre, ang only caveat dyan is that, of course, we will screen them. And kailangan meron siya kinalaman sa Lorcana.
Definitely.
In some way or form. Kasi kapag random question na parang, Hindi naman namin
Tsaka para
yan.
po, let's get this question out of the way. Ha. Taken na po kami dalawa. Hindi na po pwede. Sorry.
Kasi,
just,
wala.
just to get that out of the way.
Wow. Na-shook ako dun.
Nasyo ka ba dun?
I don't think that's a question that people are
Malay mo! Malay mo! Hindi naman tayo kapangitan. No?
Pero parang to reiterate again, walang mga ganong klaseng tanong. Kasi we will leave it on scene. We will leave it on scene. No? And I'm not promising na weekly namin siyang gagawin, but maybe monthly.
Yeah, basta we'll try our best. We'll try our best to answer the
We'll
questions.
give giveaways. Giveaway na tayo.
Yun. Actually, eto, nakita niyo tong suot ko?
The Powerline shirt.
The Powerline shirt. Disney official Powerline shirt.
Disney official Powerline shirt.
Tingnan mo. Teka. Kita ba sa camera?
Kita. Official yan.
Official yan.
Powerline shirt.
May isa pa ako.
May nakasulat sa likod niyan. Double-sided. No? So,
nga. Teka, tatayo ba ako? Papakita ko ba?
Sige, pwede din.
Teka, sana makita kasi nag-aano eh.
Anyway, it's a double-sided t-shirt na official from Disney, and of course, who doesn't love Powerline, pwede namin siya ipamigay to a lucky participant in our
to a lucky taga-subaybay. Pamangking,
Illumi-nephew,
Illuminis, kung ano man ang tawag
namin sa
inyo. Hindi pa kami sure.
Bahala na muna.
We interchange.
Nag-interchange. But for now, sinasabi lang namin na we're open for questions, and maybe on a monthly basis, we'll get one of you to receive goodies. No?
Swag.
Disney-related. It could be cards. Meron kami mga extra legendary. Maybe.
Foil legendaries. Kaya naman siguro natin yun.
Baka gusto niya rin ng foils. Elsa, Snow Queen.
Foil Elsa.
Your very own foil Elsa Snow Queen.
Kung gusto niyo ipapirma yung mga foil Elsa Snow Queen niyo sa amin, pwede din. Kapal ng mukha.
Okay, so yun lang naman mga panonood, mga taga-nood. So I hope you enjoyed our ramblings. As we've said, we're two old men rambling at clouds. But hopefully gave you a little bit more insight on what's currently happening at yung mga tingin namin sa mga mangyayari in the future. But for now, this is Lorcan Tito Ian.
And Lorcan Tito BJ.
Signing off for this episode. Bye!
Goodbye. Bye-bye.